Hello.
But here's my number, so call me maybe.
Hey, what's up? It's your girl Lily from That Girl Lily, and welcome back to my channel. I literally just decided to film this video like right now, an hour before I have to leave for Westmic. Like, this makeup better turn out good, or I have no time to wash it off, so I'm gonna look like an idiot. But as you can tell by the title, I am following a Kennedy Walsh makeup get ready. It was like her get ready with me thing, like her everyday makeup. And I said it in my last video, I absolutely love her. Her channel is like just gets better and better. She's getting more and more subs every day, and I've been following her since I think 10K? Yeah, and she's at 300,000 now. I'm like a proud OG fan, you know? And she's really pretty and I want to look like her, so I'm following her makeup. I can't look like her, but we're gonna try. Let's get started because I'm running out of time. I am on a time limit here. I also have no mirror, so yeah, I'm just looking in my camera. Kennedy did the skincare stuff off camera because it's boring, and so neither am I. Kennedy says go. Okay, so then all she does is, well, I'm gonna roll the clip, never mind.
Concealer. So I use the Tarte Shape Tape. Right, I just put this on the areas that you're about to watch. Under my eyes for sure. I'm not even because of anything, just by choice, but not really by choice because I didn't have control over my body. I never do, and I mean never. Yeah. I slept terrible, which is probably why I'm in such a weird mood. I literally just put that concealer in my mouth.
So all she does is puts it under her eyes. Oh my gosh, I don't think I'm gonna be able to pull this off. Like, I really don't. I think that I'm gonna look really white compared to her, like extra. Even though, like I tan. Oh my god, I look crazy. Okay, and then she just blends. I tan, but like, oh my gosh, this is just concealer. She doesn't even use, oh wait, she did this too. This video is terrible. I'm so sorry. I'm letting you down, Kennedy. I'm just letting you down. I don't know what I was saying, but I don't know. Oh, I was saying she doesn't use foundation. This is just concealer. Wow. All right, we're gonna make this work. I'm struggling right now.
What was I talking about? My life? It's a struggle.
I think I'm like rushing and I need to slow down. Like, I feel like I'm talking so fast.
So yeah, my face looks really weird now, but that's fine. We're gonna fix it. And I need to set it or else she'll crease like no tomorrow. And no one likes creases.
I do look really white, but she says that the bronzer will save us. So let's get to that step already. Okay, blended. Okay, and now we don't want to crease, she says. Okay. Honestly, I'm not hating this. Like, I look really white, but like, I know it's gonna turn out. I just know. Like, she knows what she's doing. And for those of you who don't know who she is, go subscribe to her channel so you know who she is. And watch her videos. Okay? You won't regret it. So, yeah.
Next is bronzer. I'm basic and I use Benefit Hoola bronzer.
Next, we're gonna be basic and use the Hoola bronzer. And then she just bronzes up like any natural, like where you're supposed to bronze, you know? And she doesn't contour because it's like, oh god, the same thing. Okay, I can't. I don't want to film right now. I don't want you guys to see me fail, so, or struggle. I'm struggling. This is like a fairly simple makeup tutorial and I'm struggling. Actually, no. I think that's just my eczema. It actually looks, I don't know. I put on too much. Like, am I just tripping? Do you see that? I'm on a time limit. I don't have time to blend and blend and blend and... Okay. Just... Whatever. It's good. We look good. Makeup makes you look pretty, okay? So I don't know why I'm tripping. Like, I'm gonna look fine. And I have a good amount of time. Like, I need to stop stressing myself out. Okay? Okay. Low key, like, if I like this, I feel like this is how I'm gonna start doing my makeup. because like foundation, I can never like get the right shade, so maybe I'll just like say F it and just do Kennedy, you know? Like do her make. Okay. I think that's looking pretty good. Next, I didn't screen record because, well, I forgot, and then I was in a hurry to just start the video instead of going back and screen recording, but she takes the bronzer and puts it, like, in her crease, so she just blends that little bit in there, and, you know, voila, a little pop of color in there. Woohoo. Wow. Okay, I also didn't screen record this, but she puts a little pop of shimmer in her corner of her eye. So, wow, super pretty. Next is brows. I never ever do my brows, but today I guess we are, because what Kennedy says goes. This is only eyebrow gel that I could. Oh, I don't even know what I'm doing. That was cold. What was I saying? I hate messing with my eyebrows. Like, I should have just left it. Oh, you don't even know what I'm doing. She takes something Anastasia after, like, talking shit about it. I actually really want to skip this because I'm actually liking how it looks, and I feel like I'm gonna mess it up. So, I apologize, but I'm not messing it up. Oh, my eyebrows feel crunchy.
Next is blush, which is like my favorite.
I do not want to go overboard. Okay, there's like nothing. Why am I struggling so much? Alright, that doesn't. We'll see. Ooh, girl. Okay, she like puts the blush like on her nose. So I don't know if she put it on her forehead. I just did that. Wow, okay. Cool.
Next is mascara, but I use L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara.
I have this too. But I know for a freaking fact my eyelashes are not going to turn out like hers, so. Okay, they're a little poppin', not gonna lie. Hello.
My lips usually honestly take me the longest because it's so hard to get them right. They never want to cooperate.
Okay, so I was like in a hurry, so I just like color matched the liner she had. I didn't get the exact one because I probably have it. Well, my mom probably has it. But she overlines her lips, but I don't really want to. I'm just gonna add a little, I cannot see. I just want to add a little bit of color because I'm about to go to class and be in scrubs. So, you're like, oh. Why is this bitch all dressed up and fancy? That's Kennedy. Okay, I just want a little bit. Oh, I'm sad. I look nothing like her. But she did me good. She really did. This makeup is... I'm liking it so far.
Once I have that down, I take the lip gloss, and this just really adds like the plumping effect.
Okay, and then she had lipstick, but guess what? Also don't have that, so I just put like something that'll give it shine. You know what? I don't hate it. Ooh, whoa.
And there we have it. That is my everyday makeup.
I really like it. Like, I high-key want to start doing my makeup like this. Okay, Kennedy. This is why she's like my favorite person ever. She has like such witty humor, and on top of it, she made me look cute. Thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I know it's kind of random, but it's my channel and I can do whatever I want. So, and it's not really random because I think I'm gonna start like following YouTubers, like makeup stuff, just to try it. Like James Charles, Laura Lee, Jeffree Star. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up. I like can't stop looking at myself. Wow. Comment down below if you're a Kennedy fan, if you came over here and was like, oh, someone. No one's gonna do that. But most importantly, subscribe. Okay, bye.
Where you think you're going, baby?